The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Richland County, southern Ashland County, western Wayne County in northeastern Ohio, northwestern Holmes County in northeastern Ohio, northeastern Knox County, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Belleville, or 10 miles southeast of Mansfield, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mansfield, Worcester, Lexington, Loudonville, Fredericktown, Belleville, Shreve, Hayesville, Holmesville, Nashville, Waterford, Butler, Perrysville, Lucas, Jeromesville, Fredericksburg, Congress, Mifflin, North Liberty, and Roseburg. Here is a special weather statement for the following counties in Ohio.
Oh, that's how you review the previous alerts on this thing.